Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to learn how to achieve this natural eye look, just keep watching. So for this look, I'm only going to be using one palette. That is the MAC Semi Sweet x9 palette. And as you can see right here, I'm just blending it from side to side very lightly. And I am using that light beige, kind of like a beige color to create that transition. So after I've applied that transition color, I'm going to go over with the darker brown, but I am dipping this color in the palette very lightly, that way I don't pick up way too much product. And I'm also doing the same thing I did. Now right here, you'll see that I'll be going back with the bigger, fluffier brush to blend everything out, and I'm doing that just because I don't want to have any harsh lines between the two colors that I've applied on my eyes. So even though this is a natural eye look, I do like to add more definition to my eyes. So I am using this reddish burgundy color, and I'm only placing that on the corner of my eyes. So right after that, I'll go ahead and blend it too, just so that we don't have any harsh lines and it can all look very, very smooth. All of the brushes that I'm using in this video will be listed in the description box in case you want to purchase these, or if you are looking to buy new brushes for your collection. Alright, so this will be our final step. We are going to be placing this light color on our eyelid. Just make sure you don't drag this color all the way across your eyelid. You want to make sure that you keep it from the beginning of your eye towards the center without going all the way across. So after you've done that, you just go ahead and use that blending brush and blend until everything looks smooth. When you're doing this step, you can see that sometimes you can take out some product that you have placed on your eye, but there's no problem with that. You can just go back in with that same color to add more color to your eyes, and you blend again. In these next steps, you'll see that I'll add lashes, I'll add the lip color, and I'll add some eyeshadow on my waterline of my eye, along with some mascara, and that will complete the final look. Everything I've used in this video to achieve this look will be listed in the description box below. And voila, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching and for tuning in this video. I hope that you and your families are safe during this crisis, and I cannot wait to see you guys next time. Bye!